In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-factor authentication in n8n. Whether you're using the n8n cloud or a self-hosted instance, the following steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First and foremost, you'll need to log into your n8n account. This could be through the cloud service or a self-hosted setup, whichever applies to you. Use your email address and your password to gain access. It's important to ensure that your login credentials are correct to avoid any unnecessary delays. Getting through this initial step allows you access to all the necessary settings and is crucial for making any changes to your account, such as disabling two-factor authentication. Once you're logged in, navigate to your personal settings. You can do this by clicking on Settings, which you will typically find in the main navigation menu, and then selecting Personal. This section contains all your account-related preferences and settings, where you can make modifications to enhance or simplify your user experience based on your needs. After accessing your personal settings, scroll to locate the section specifically for two-factor authentication. Here you'll see an option to either disable or turn off 2FA, depending on the version of n8n you are currently using. This option is key to proceeding with disabling the two-factor authentication. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to verify your identity as an added security measure. Verifying your identity is a crucial step and ensures that this security feature isn't disabled by unauthorized individuals. For this, you'll need to use either a 6-digit code from your Authenticator app, or, if you no longer have access to that app, a recovery code. The recovery code typically acts as a backup and is useful in situations where your Authenticator app may be inaccessible. Both options offer a layer of security to confirm that the person attempting to disable 2FA is indeed you. Once you've successfully entered the necessary verification code, the next step is to confirm your actions. You'll see a button labeled Disable or Confirm. Click it to finalize the changes. This step is a straightforward confirmation, ensuring that you're deliberate in your decision to turn off this security feature. And there you have it. You've now successfully disabled two-factor authentication for your account. This process is quick and ensures that you can adjust your security preferences with ease. Keep in mind that while disabling 2FA might simplify your login process, it also reduces the security layer protecting your account, so consider your needs carefully. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you through the process of disabling two-factor authentication on your n8n account. Have a great day and stay secure.